guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Vinay and today we're going to be talking about the style. What is style and how can you use this style attribute inside any tag that you have. So without wasting any time, let's dive right into it and write our syntax. So what we are going to do, we are going to create I want to tell you guys first thing here that I didn't tell you one tag in the when I was telling you the tags in the for I guess it was third video. So I have one tag here that is a div, and if you know what a class is, it's a container, and same as that, a div in the HTML is totally like a class. It's a container. By the default, it does not have any height, it does not have any width, and you will have to manually define them. And if you, it doesn't matter whatever you do with this div, if you do not assign any width or height, it's not going to show you anything in the web page. So this is the div, and so let's first assign it height, and the height is going to be 400 pixel, and then width, and it's going to be 400 pixels. Okay, so this syntax here, like you can say this syntax here is wrong. Let's say we add something here and we go and open this file now. Let's open it in the Firefox. Okay, we have this whatever we wrote here. Okay, what is that? Okay, so let's embed an image here, and source we are going to take an online image here. Let's go and okay, let's search wallpapers, and we go to the images, and we take, okay, these are some big images. I don't want to take some big images. Let's, okay, go and save. Do not save, just go and copy this image and come here and just paste it. Come on, paste it. Come on, oh come on, you gotta be kidding with me. Wait, I did not copy the link. Copy image location. Okay guys, okay, now we have our image here. We must be having our image here. Okay, so we have our div here. It works fine, but when you, now it's time to see what a style is. So let's write style, and okay, so we have these properties here: display, height, padding, position, width, border, left, margin, top, background, color. I can't tell you each and every one right here. I'm going to be showing you some properties, but in the next videos, as we will cover these HTML and the next series CSS, or in the next series after the CSS will be the JavaScript. You will be getting the hang of all those properties like I have. So let's go with some here. So what we're going to do here is we're going to use here background color. So you can choose any color. I'm going to choose this aqua here. So what it's going to do, we are going to see, okay, how big that div is, and you will understand. And okay, this paragraph and this image are in the div. So as you can see, okay, so you can see this image ends here, this paragraph ends here, but this div goes from here to here. So that's how it works. So let's make it auto and see if it works or not. Okay, it does not work because it does not work like that. This height not width, it's totally wrong. You can use them here. So let's make a height, and you can use 20% here, and okay, now use width, and you can go with auto. So now you've refreshed them. Okay, it must be changing, but it's not changing. Okay, so there is something like display inline. Oh come on, now it's okay. Now we have this here. Come on guys, I know you can see this aqua line here below. so it covers this entire image here, but it's not like that. We don't want to do that, so let's see if we can go with inline block. You don't want to worry about this inline block here. I knew inline block was going to work. So what it's going to do is it's going to cover, this inline block is going to cover the entire part that you have in div here. Like we have this heading here. This heading has some height, this some padding, or and this image also have some height or some padding. So it's going to show you, okay, this entire area is covered by the div, and it's going to cover and it's going to color it. So that's a div is, and that's what style can do. So let's create another thing here, like an h tag. It's a heading tag, and also good work. So let's save it and run it here. Okay, we have good work here, but what we are going to do is we are going to style it, and we are going to change the color of it from black to some random color. Okay, okay, so first thing I want to tell you is whenever you're working with the text, you use color property, and whenever you want to change some background, you use the background color. Don't go changing the background color with the text, it's not going to work. So let's make it brown. Okay, let's make it brown, and if we go here and refresh it, okay, we have brown. Good work here. So that's how you can play with the style, and I want you to work on it. I want you to select 10 tags and go and give it a style, give it some property. Don't worry about that. If you don't know what properties to use, you just go here and make it use the style attribute. It's going to show you this entire, you do not need any extension for these properties to show up, so you can just go around and use anyone. Don't go for the so typical one. Just use whichever you understand by just reading their names, like width, border, background color, font size. You can also increase the font size here. Let's say we are going to use the large one here. So this is the large one. I mean, yes, it's not larger than H1 tag, but what if we use 200 pixel here? It's going to work or not? Yes, it's going to work. This is what 200 pixel text looks like. So thank you so much, guys. This is it for this video, and in the next video we're going to be talking about what is table, what are lists, and like an order list. Thank you so much, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.